All right, so you got a DJI Action 5 Pro, right? So the big hype with DJI in this camera here, one is the low light, and two is the battery. They say the battery, this little 1950 right here, they say that it's supposed to get somewhere between like 3 or 4 hours or something like that. That's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to do 4K 120. I'm going to drain the battery down, 4K 60, and 1080 60. I believe those are the three main ones that everyone's going to be recording. But I'm also going to be putting it up against these generic ones I bought off of Amazon. Um, they are 2100, yes, 2100 milliamp batteries. Just some generic ones, 32 bucks or so. This is a non-sponsored video, sponsored by my wife and I and our credit card. But we're going to see how these compare to this right here, and if the claims of DJI is correct on these batteries. Go ahead, like, subscribe. Don't go anywhere. You're going to be surprised on what one actually does better, if one does better, and if DJI really does hold up to their claims of what this battery is. All right, so I'll go ahead and I'll leave up here somewhere on the screen of what DJI says this battery's supposed to get. But there we go. It's the 1950. Let's get it up in there. 1950 milliamp battery right here. What'd y'all think of these generics? These generics were I thought was pretty good, all but the 1080p. Again, non-sponsored or nothing. I will leave an affiliate link down below. Here's what they are. Here's the name of them. So, but yeah, I think they did really good. And like I said, it charges the DJI as well. You have three batteries you can run around with. And again, only 30 bucks or something, $33 for these things. I didn't do bad. So the only one that really outshined at all, or the DJI battery outshined at all, was on 1080 60, you know? So I imagine if you do, I guess some people might do 30 frames or 24 frames, and you might be able to get a little bit more out of it. But I see most people that I talk to, they shoot in either 60 to 120 frames per second. So that's where I did all my tests with this battery was for that. So all in all, I'm not saying that the Action 5 Pro is bad. I think this is a heck of a camera. I really do like it. I'm having fun with it. But what DJI claims this battery does, it to me does not do that. If anyone else has anything else to add, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like product reviews and different tests like this right here, go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and give this video a like. I mean, if I did decent on this video, you know, I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead and, you know, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I bring a lot of tech news. I bring different products that I can get a hold of, and if a company sends out to me. So, but no, all in all, it's still a really good camera. I don't have nothing else to judge it against, as in far as the DJI Osmos 4 or the GoPro or Instant 360. What's this crazy is this thing just came out like 3 or 4 months ago, and I just got mine, but yet the new leaks of the DJI Action 6 is coming out. So hopefully, you know, maybe I'll pound down, you know, on DJI, and maybe they'll send me one at least to test. And I mean, I'll send it back. I'm not worried about getting nothing for free here. But anyways, I'm Thomas of Tomology. I'll go ahead and leave a video up right here. Go ahead and check this one out. See, this is worth your hard-earned money here in 2025.